Amid ongoing discussions about the University Grants Commission's UGC draft guidelines, UGC Chairman M. Jagadish Kumar has addressed the confusion surrounding the eligibility criteria for faculty positions. In a video shared on social media platform X, he clarified that the belief that the National Eligibility Test NET is no longer required for recruitment is incorrect. Misunderstandings arose from claims that candidates with a master's degree could apply for teaching positions without clearing the UGC NET. The chairman explained that for fields such as arts, humanities and social sciences, the NET remains mandatory. However, for professional courses like engineering and technology, candidates with an ME or MTech degree do not need to qualify for the NET. In line with All India Council for Technical Education AICTE recruitment guidelines. According to the updated guidelines, candidates who earned their PhD before July 11, 2009 or those holding both a bachelor's degree with 75% marks and a master's degree with 55% marks, along with the PhD, are exempt for the NET requirement. However, those who possess only a postgraduate degree without a PhD must still clear the NET, SET or SLET to be eligible for faculty positions. The guidelines set to take effect in 2025 state that candidates applying for teaching positions in disciplines such as commerce, law, sciences, languages, journalism and management must hold a postgraduate degree with at least 55% marks and pass the relevant eligibility test. However, individuals with professional qualifications in engineering and technology can be appointed without NET if they meet the academic criteria. Additionally, creative disciplines like drama, yoga, music, performing arts, and visual arts allow candidates with an undergraduate degree and significant professional achievements to qualify for faculty positions. The UGC aims to make the recruitment process more inclusive while maintaining the quality of education through these revised guidelines.